Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of camping stoves and explore the best ones available in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a weekend warrior, having the right camping stove can make all the difference in your outdoor cooking experience. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices, like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get number 5. The new arrival outdoor portable 3-head stove camping windproof stove camping picnic burner outdoor foldable gas stove sounds like a versatile and convenient option for outdoor cooking. Here's what I found about it. Features. 3 burners. This stove has 3 burners, which allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously or accommodate larger pots and pans. Windproof design. The burners are surrounded by wind shields, which helps to... Number 4. The Widesea Camping Gas Stove Outdoor Tourist Burner Strong Fire Heater Tourism Cooker Survival Furnace Supplies Equipment Picnic is a versatile and portable camping stove that is designed for outdoor enthusiasts, backpackers, and survivalists. Here's a breakdown of its features and what you might need to consider before purchasing. Features. Strong firepower, with a maximum output of... Number 3. The portable metal flame gun butane burner, also known as a gas torch or blowtorch, is a versatile tool with a wide range of applications. Here's a breakdown of its features and uses. Number 2. There are many camping gas stove outdoor tourist burner strong fire tourism cooker survival furnace equipment picnic burner accessories available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Number 1. The Fire Maple Polaris X5 cooking system is a portable camping stove that is designed for backpackers and hikers. It is a lightweight and compact system that includes a stove, pot, and stand. The stove has a micro-regulator valve that helps to maintain a consistent flame in all weather conditions, and the pot is made of anodized aluminum for durability. The system also includes a pot.